Today on Restoration Clinic, we'll take a look at an old parlor guitar. A parlor guitar is somewhat smaller than the usual dreadnought style guitar. It's a compact, narrow-waisted guitar, easier to store and easier to handle when playing. This particular guitar is made to look like the old parlor guitars. It's not very expensive, but it's so neglected, I thought it would be pleasant to clean it and polish it. We'll start off with a damp paper towel. I like to get the dust off it before I actually polish it with wood polish. Much cleaner now and easier to handle. There are only 3 strings on this guitar, and they're so old they're actually dirty and smelly. They smell like old metal. I loosened these strings because they're unusable, and this will allow me to cut them off with no problem. Now I'll polish the guitar with this wood polish, being sure to pay careful attention to the fretboard, which I can tell is very dry and in severe need of some moisture and polish. It needs restoration. Really, I'm just doing a great job on cleaning this guitar. We're not really restoring anything. And now for a new set of strings, and this guitar will be ready to go.